This new Rubik's Cube can go from color to black. This is called the Rubik's Phontom. It is a temperature sensitive cube, meaning you can use it as a regular cube, or when you put it in the fridge for a couple of minutes, the colors would disappear. Now, this is where the challenge occurs. The goal is to solve it by revealing the colors with your body heat before they disappear again. So I'm going to do a quick solve, and the first thing I did was rubbing all the sides with my wrist. On the instructions, you're supposed to rub it with your fingers, but I found it was quicker doing it this way. After revealing the colors partially, I would use my speed to my advantage and solve it quickly before the colors disappear. And we got it done pretty quick, but let's make sure we got it correct. Yep, we got it.